Hello everyone, welcome to Jurassic Pork. Today we are using our Pit Boss vertical pellet smoker and we are smoking boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I already have them inside, so stay tuned. Well, today we're going to do 14 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And today's seasoning we are using Uncle Dave's Spices and Rubs Savory Salt. I did a review on one of their other products, the Uncle Dave's barbecue seasoning, and that stuff tasted amazing. We did it on some ribs and it was really good. Check out their website. It is uncledavespices.com. They have a lot of other spices coming out. This stuff is really good. It smells amazing as well. So today we're just going to take it and sprinkle a little bit on. I've already got the smoker outside heating up, so this will be a nice little dinner and a little meal prep. That's what I like about smoking meat, is it's not hard at all. It can seem intimidating, but it's really easy to do. Just go ahead and get them flipped over, season up the other side, and we'll be right back. Alright, we have the Pit Boss vertical pellet smoker up to temp. Today we're smoking at 250 degrees, so we're going to go ahead and get these chicken thighs loaded on. I do have a water pan inside already. I already filled that with water while I was preheating. And now we wait. Go ahead and give these things a quick temp check. Perfect. Sitting at 175 degrees. I say they are done. We will go ahead and get them brought inside and be right back. There they are, all done. Took a little over around an hour and a half to cook these, all 14 of them. Didn't do anything to them, just set them on the rack and let them smoke. Let them cool a little bit. I'm going to make up some green beans to go with it and give it a taste test. Alright, always my favorite time of night, the taste test. That is amazing. That is really good. Very great smoke flavor on that Pit Boss. That seasoning is extremely good. And again, that seasoning is Uncle Dave's Spices and Rubs. I used the savory salt seasoning this time. Really good stuff. I'm going to be putting that on my green beans with that chicken tonight. Very good. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. Again, this is John with Jurassic Pork, and thanks for watching, and God bless.